Welcome! If you're a woman over 40, your hormones play a huge role in how you feel every day. Today we're revealing the truth about hormone health, the changes your body goes through, and how you can regain balance and vitality. As women enter their 40s, hormone levels begin to shift dramatically. Estrogen and progesterone, key female hormones, start to decline. This phase is called perimenopause, leading up to menopause. Along with this, thyroid hormones and cortisol, the stress hormone, also change, impacting your energy, mood, and metabolism. As our bodies navigate the hormonal shifts of perimenopause and beyond, a wide array of symptoms can surface. It's easy to dismiss them as just getting older, but they are important messages from your body. Recognizing these signs is the first powerful step toward regaining balance. It often starts with your cycle. Periods may become irregular or heavier. Then come the infamous hot flashes, a sudden wave of heat, and night sweats that disrupt your sleep. The emotional toll can be just as challenging. You might experience mood swings that feel out of your control, a new sense of anxiety, or frustrating brain fog that makes it hard to focus. This is often paired with a deep, persistent fatigue that sleep doesn't fix, and stubborn weight gain around the belly, despite your best efforts. On a more intimate level, a drop in libido or vaginal dryness can also appear, affecting your confidence. These symptoms are not a life sentence, they are clear signals that your hormones need attention and support. This is your body's invitation to listen, learn, and take proactive steps to reclaim your energy and vitality, not just passively accept the changes. Hormonal balance is essential for overall health. Estrogen supports bone strength and heart health, progesterone helps regulate mood and sleep, thyroid hormones control your energy and metabolism, and cortisol manages your stress response. Imbalances can increase risks of osteoporosis, heart disease, depression, and chronic fatigue. Navigating hormonal shifts can feel complex, but the good news is you hold the power to support your body's natural balance. It's not about a single quick fix, but about making consistent, mindful lifestyle choices. Let's explore the key pillars for creating lasting hormonal harmony. First, prioritize protein. Including sources like lean meat, fish, or legumes at every meal is crucial. Protein helps stabilize blood sugar, preventing the hormonal roller coaster caused by insulin spikes, and provides the essential building blocks your body needs to manufacture hormones. Next, embrace consistent movement. A smart combination of cardio and strength training is your best ally. Cardio manages stress and improves insulin sensitivity, while strength training builds muscle, which boosts metabolism and supports overall hormonal health, especially as we age. Fuel your body with vibrant whole foods. Focus on fiber-rich vegetables for gut health and estrogen metabolism. Incorporate healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and olive oil, which are vital for hormone production. Crucially, minimize processed sugars and refined carbs that drive inflammation. Chronic stress is a primary hormone disruptor, keeping cortisol elevated. Make stress reduction a daily priority. Whether it's through mindfulness, yoga, or just 5 minutes of deep breathing, you're sending a powerful signal to your body to relax and rebalance. Two foundational pillars are gut health and sleep. Nurture your gut with probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and kimchi, and protect your sleep, aiming for 7-9 hours nightly in a dark, cool room. Quality sleep is non-negotiable for resetting your hormones like cortisol and melatonin. Finally, while lifestyle is paramount, certain herbs like ashwagandha for stress support may be beneficial. However, supplements are not a one-size-fits-all solution. It is absolutely essential to consult with your healthcare provider to determine what is safe and appropriate for your unique body. For some women, lifestyle changes alone aren't enough. Hormone Replacement Therapy, or HRT, can help replace declining estrogen and progesterone to relieve severe symptoms. It's important to discuss options with your doctor to find the safest approach. Regular screenings and monitoring are also key in managing your hormone health effectively. Beyond managing symptoms, a hormone-friendly lifestyle helps maintain balance long-term. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol, stay hydrated, maintain a healthy weight, and keep stress levels low. Prioritize self-care and regular health checkups to catch any changes early and optimize your well-being. Understanding hormone health after 40 is your first step to feeling your best. This isn't about fighting your body but rediscovering it. Remember the pillars we discussed: nourishing your body, moving with joy, managing stress, and prioritizing sleep. Hormonal balance is achievable with the right knowledge and consistent habits. It's not about perfection, but making small, positive choices every day. With the right support, you can transform this phase of life into one of strength and empowerment. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to help empower more women on this journey. Our mission is to build a supportive community. We'd love to hear from you too. What's one small change you're inspired to make? Share your commitment in the comments below so we can celebrate our progress together. This is a powerful new beginning. Take charge of your health today as an act of self-love. Listen to your body and honor its needs. You have the power to write this next chapter with energy, clarity, and confidence. Your body will thank you,